favorite palette! Yay!
Hello, little artist. Today, we are going to draw a very happy, super cute baby dinosaur with a great big smile. If you don't have your tracing sheet yet, ask a grown-up to download it from the link in the description below and print it out, so you can draw along with me. Let's follow the lines together. Here we go! Take your black marker, let's begin to draw a dino with a friendly grin. First we trace the eyes so bright, two big circles, left and right. Leave two little spots for the light to shine. Trace right around them, you're doing just fine. Now trace the snout, nice and round, the cutest nose that can be found. Two tiny dots for his nostrils there, breathing in the fresh wild air. Open his mouth with a great big wide line, a happy smile that looks so fine. Trace the little tongue and two little teeth, hiding inside his smile underneath. Let's trace around his big round head, from his cheeks to the top instead. Up on his head, what do we see? Little bumpy spikes. 1, 2, 3. Trace number 4 and number 5, making our dino come alive. Little round triangles in a neat row, sitting on his head where they love to grow. Follow the line down from his chin, that's where his tummy lines begin. Trace the big belly, curved and wide, going all the way down to his side. Now draw straight lines right across his chest, like little stripes, he looks his best. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines across, tracing so carefully. You are the boss! Oh, trace, trace, trace on the line, making a drawing that looks so fine. Step by step, we're doing our part, making a beautiful piece of art. Now let's trace his cute little arms, full of sweet baby dino charms. Trace the left arm, short and small, he's waving hello to one and all. Trace the right arm, reaching out wide, with little white claws right by his side. 1, 2, 3 little claws on his hand, the happiest dino in all the land. Look down below at his big strong feet, standing so sturdy on the street. Trace the front leg, round and thick, follow the curve, do it nice and quick. Trace the back leg, right behind, the neatest lines that we can find. Add the little claws right on his toes, that's how our dino friend goes. Now go to the back, let's trace the tail, stretching out long like a little boat sail. Curve it right up to a pointy tip, hold your marker tight, don't let it slip. Along his back, add more bumpy spikes, just the kind that our dino likes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on his spine, all the way down to the tail tip line. Before we are finished with our black pen, let's trace the round spots again and again. Little oval spots on his forehead, high like little green dots under the sky. And more little spots on his back and his tail, following the lines without a fail. Count all the spots as you trace them, trace, putting a smile on our dino's face. Put the cap on your marker, make it click. We finished our tracing, oh so quick. Now it is time for the very best part, adding bright colors to our wonderful art. Grab your crayons, let's start the show, bringing it to life, here we go. Find your bright green crayon first of all, to color our dino big and tall. Color his face, his cheeks, and his head. Make it a beautiful green instead. Color his arms, his legs, and his back, staying in the lines, keeping on track. Color his long tail all around, the prettiest green that can be found. Take a dark green for the little round spots. Color them in like polka dots. On his head, on his back, make them dark and neat to make his pattern look complete. Now reach for the yellow or lighter green hue. We have a special job to do. Color his striped tummy soft and bright, making it glow with a beautiful light. Color between every single neat line to make his big belly look so fine. A bright yellow chest for our little friend as our coloring journey nears the end. Now find your pink for his happy tongue, inside the mouth where the song is sung. Leave his sharp claws clean and white. Our baby dino is a wonderful sight. Grab your brown, smooth and neat for the bumpy spikes. What a treat! Color the spikes on top of his head, a lovely ground color beautifully spread. Color